Frigidaire Freezer Repair Service in Los Angeles specializes in Frigidaire freezers that consist of Frigidaire chest freezers and Frigidaire French door freezers, along with all other Frigidaire freezer models. If your Frigidaire freezer is not cooling or your freezer is not working, maybe your freezer runs all the time or your freezer is leaking water, your freezer has defrost drain problems or the freezer coils are frosting up, maybe the freezer indicator light is out. Whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 877-309-7770.